I'm Jessica Huie and I'm an entrepreneur and author. Growing up, Diana Ross was my idea of beauty. She was just fabulous. I didn't see anyone on television that had hair like me. I think a seed was sown around the importance of seeing ourselves represented and reflected, which really shaped the way that I do business and my values. I became an accidental entrepreneur when I was about 27, when I realised there was a complete absence of cards in the high street that reflected my daughter, and ultimately was invited to Buckingham Palace to receive my MBE for services to entrepreneurship in 2014. I spent a long time, I think, as many of us do, trying to be something other than who I was. And when you have that kind of inner conflict, which sees you have to try to fit into a box which isn't your truth, it leaves you unhappy, unfulfilled, and it's unhealthy. And I think freedom is where we find the confidence to belong to ourselves. We get lost in these careers and we start to form our identity based on what we do or what we have, and actually who we are is none of those things. Ultimately, who we are is who we can be for others.